these are my Algebra 2 Test 3 corrections. I got one problem wrong, and it was number 9 because I didn't understand how to write the constraint, so that affected the rest of my problem. But the problem is, baking a tray of corn muffins takes 4 cups of milk and 3 cups of flour. A tray of bran muffins takes 2 cups of milk and 3 cups of flour. A baker has 16 cups of milk and 15 cups of flour. He makes $3 profit per tray of corn muffins and $2 profit per tray of bran muffins. How many trays of each type should he make to maximize his profit? So X is for corn muffins and Y is bran muffins. So first you have to write an objective function, and I did $3 because you have $3 for corn muffins, so that's P, the profit is equal to 3X plus $2 per tray of bran muffins plus 2Y. So you have P is equal to 3X plus 2Y. So that's what you use in the end to find the profit. Next you have to write your constraints. And first you have to write one for the amount of milk it takes to make muffins. So for corn muffins, it's 4 cups of milk, so you have 4X. And then for bran muffins, it takes 2 cups of milk, so you have 2Y. And you can have a total of 16 cups of milk, so you have is less than or equal to 16. Then you have to make a constraint for the amount of flour, and there's 3 cups in each type of muffin. So you have 3X plus 3Y is less than or equal to the total amount of flour, 15 cups. So you have 3X plus 3Y is less than or equal to 15. And then X and Y both have to be greater than 0. So next you have to graph the points. So I want to graph first of all these two, and then to make it easy you put these two in a point slope form. So or like y is equal to mx plus b. So I subtracted 4x from each side and divided each side by 2 to get y is less than or equal to negative 2x plus 8, and then minus 3x on this one. From each side divided by 3, and then y is less than or equal to negative x plus 5. So then here is my graph. I plotted the points, I graphed the lines, and this is the region that all the shading intersected. And then you find the points, and I got 0, 0, 0, 5, 3, 2, and 4, 0, 4, 0. So then you have to put your 4 points back in, into your objective function. So then first you use 0, 0, and then you put 0 in for x and y, and you have the profit is equal to 0. Then you have 0 and 5 for 0 corn muffins and 5 bran muffins. You put them in for x and y, and you get your profit is equal to 10. Then you use 0.32, and you put in 3 and 2 for x and y, and you get your profit is equal to 13. And then you use your final 0.40 and put them in for x and y, and you get your profit is equal to 12. So the maximum amount of money that he'll get is $13, and so it's a maximum of $13 at 0.32. So that's 3 trays of corn muffins and 2 trays of bran muffins. So you have a maximum, the maximum is $13 for 3 trays of corn muffins and 2 trays of bran muffins. Those are my test 3 corrections.